Hey, what's up, you guys? It's Taikina Beauty. If this is your first time to my channel, welcome. This is a nail tutorial, and I have some exciting news. It's a giveaway as well. So if you're interested on winning free press-on nails, no gimmicks, no scams, keep watching this video and you'll find out. So we're gonna start off with drying the nails. I notice when I do wear press-on nails, it's very vital for you to have your nails dry and free from oils. So we're gonna take alcohol and just put that on each nail bed. The more oil you have, the less the nails will stick. So it won't last for long. Now we're gonna open the box. Y'all know I love Halloween, so it was crucial to have Halloween nails. I think these are so cute. I've never had matte nails before or sugar nails before, so I thought this would be super cute. Shout out to Bonita Birdie. Bonita Birdie, she gave me these press-on nails. You guys should check her out on Instagram where she can make you custom press-on nails. I highly recommend her. First things first, we're going to press back our cuticles. I think this is something that's very crucial when it comes to applying press-on nails. It looks better, it stays on longer, and it gives your nail that room, if that makes sense. I did not have a... No, that is a cuticle pusher, so yeah. And then we're gonna file too as well. I have really long nails for some reason, so I will be filing those and pushing those cuticles back as possible. I think it is honestly vital to cut your cuticles too as well. I'm not a fan of cutting my cuticles, but for the sake of this video, you guys, I will be cutting them. Bonita Birdie, her nail kit comes with nail glue, a nail file, and a cuticle pusher, and lovely nails. I got the nail size in extra, I got the nail size in small because my nails are small, and I think it looked really great. So we're gonna put on our first nail. This is the matte one. It's super cute. I love the style. It's in the ballerina shape. I think about between coffin and ballerina, that's my favorite shape. Where's this almond? Okay, so these nails are definitely coffin shaped. I was trying to Google it and do my research. Ballerina and coffin shape, they look very similar, but I noticed that the ballerina shape is not as tapered as the coffin shape, and I love the tapered shape. And I will say these coffin shaped nails are very tapered, like precisely, and I love that. Shout out to you, Bonita Birdie. So we got the first one on. Oh, I love this sugar one. It's so pretty and sparkly and gorgeous. So I am cutting my cuticles. You guys do want to be careful when it comes to that. I recommend always pushing back your cuticles first before cutting them, just so you can pull them up, if that makes sense, and you can see a precise part of the skin you have to cut off. Oh, that sounds so bad. Well, it's like dead skin that doesn't need to be there. So now we're gonna go in with that nail glue. That nail glue was really good. That was provided by Bonita Birdie. I love when nail places that you shop at online, they provide you with nail glue and the tools you need. So that was very much needed. I love this nail. It looks so good. I love long nails, you guys. It's just such a look. What's you guys' favorite nail shape? Comment that down below. Yeah, so we're just like going along with this. This is really quick and easy. What I love about press-on nails is that they're just so easy to apply, and they'll last. I believe they'll last the same amount of time if you were to get gel nails, and they're even cheaper, which is nice, and they don't break your nails off versus acrylic killing your nails. So I'm definitely filing this nail down. This nail is very curved shaped. My ring finger and my pinky finger, they're very like curved in. So I always try to get that shape out so it can match the shape of the nail I'm applying on. I love that spider web. I thought that was really cool. Okay, guys, so let's get down to the nitty gritty. How you can win a free set of nails, press on nails. All you have to do is follow Bonita Birdie on Instagram. You must be following me on Instagram at Taikina. This will be ending October 15th. So all you have to do is follow those two accounts. And once she puts up her giveaway post, you have to comment done that you completed the steps to enter into the giveaway. And then on October 15th, she will be announcing the giveaway winner and you will be getting your awesome nails. She is giving away on her page is super Halloween appropriate. It has a gray ombre with sugar sparkles on it and a diamond skull. It's really cute. You guys should check it out. You don't want to miss this giveaway. It's definitely good and it's free. Like, you can't lose anything from this. Again, you guys, it ends October 15th. She will DM that person via Instagram of the winner and she will be shipping that out. So you guys should definitely check it out. You won't be disappointed at all. She's one of my personal nail techs that I go to and always get the hookup. So you guys definitely have to check her out. And thank you again so much, Bonita Birdie, for hooking me up with these Halloween nails. So all this month I will be decked out with cute nails. Can't wait to show you guys the next video. Fun fact, so there is a nail clipper that has a cuticle pusher on the back of it. I got that from Marshall's. I thought that was pretty cool because I lose things like it's everybody's business. Well, it's nobody's business, but I do. So I thought that was like very genius, cool hack. So I'm just like pushing with the back because it's a cuticle pusher. Yeah, do you see that thumb? That thumb is pushed back. I really like these nails. They're so good. I have them on right now and I'm just looking at them and they still look really good. It's shaped perfectly too. That's what I'm really excited about. It's really nice. And I love the box it came in. It came in with, it had diamonds in the box. It was super cute. I love them. We are almost done. I like to press down for about 10 seconds too as well, just to get it to clamp onto my nail. It's looking so good. Yep, we're almost done here. Last but not least, the pinky. There we go. And we did it. So there you guys have it. those are my nails. I love them. They look so cute. I've gotten compliments on them. Yeah, super Halloween festive. I feel like the bad witch that I am. But thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this tutorial, please like, comment, subscribe, and give me more ideas for nails. I love nails. I think it's like something you should do. But yes, so I'll see you guys in my next video. Until then, bye guys. Later.